Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate dark mode in Canva. Canva provide you a theme. For example, now let's directly open the Canva app on your PC. And if you're not yet installed on your PC, please install it instead of web browser. It's very easier, it's very fast when you have this Canva app desktop version. Now this is the like normal theme here, light mode. So you can try to change it into the dark mode by click on your profile at the top of your screen. Next you can try to click settings, and here we go, this is your account, and scroll down and try to find the theme. Choose how you like to Canva to appear. Select a theme or synchronize themes with your system preferences. So here just click dark. Now Canva become a dark mode. So no more like mode like normal. If you use this dark mode, or if you love this dark mode, please use it regularly. If you want to go back, just same method, just click on your profile, go to the settings, scroll down to search the themes. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.